Welcome children. I welcome all the children to 7th standard. Shobha Miss is taking English for you all. Now while you all are watching and listening to my video, you all open and keep the textbook in front of you. And while I am reading sentence by sentence, you all also follow the text, only then you all will be able to pronounce certain words and you all will understand the meaning of each sentence, and only then you all can improve your English also. So Shobha is going to read this lesson. Now are you all following the text? This is an extract from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Now Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is the name of a book. It's the name of a book. From that book, this Charlie's birthday gift they have taken. Extract means have taken from that book. Which book? Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. From that book, this story is taken. Charlie's birthday gift. And that book is written in 1964. Charlie Bucket. Bucket, you all know that all the children will be called after your father's name, isn't it? Charlie is the name of the boy, Bucket is the name of his father. Charlie Bucket is a young boy, lives in a humble home. Humble home means he's not that much from an average home, not that much rich and not that much poor, from a humble home with his parents and both sets of grandparents. Now what's the meaning of both sets of grandparents? That is father's mother and father, mother's mother and father. That is both sets of grandparents. So all four grandparents are staying along with him. He walks past a chocolate factory every day. So every day while he is walking past that road, he sees a chocolate factory. And every children loves chocolate, isn't it? Is there anybody who hates chocolate? Everybody loves chocolate. Same way Charlie also loved chocolate very much. So every day when he was passing by, he sees the chocolate factory. Now read on to find out whether he gets a chance to explore the factory or not. To explore. Explore means to find out. To go inside and find out how they are making the chocolates, what all they are using, what all raw material they are using. That's what to explore, the factory or not. And one thing in this lesson they have given Fleming bulletin. Bulletin means one notice. One notice means the proprietor, the owner of the factory has put one notice. What is that notice? You all can read that. Wonka factory to be opened at last to lucky few. You all know that all business people, they have the mind to get the profit, isn't it? In order to get profit, what they do, they give advertisement. And what advertisement? Many types of advertisement in order to bring up their sales and to get profit. Same way, the owner of this chocolate factory also put a notice. What is that notice? Decided to allow 5 children to visit his factory. And who are those 5 children? 5 chocolates. Inside the 5 chocolate wrapper. Wrapping means what? The cover. There will be a golden paper. And on that golden paper, there is a golden ticket. So only 5 chocolates will have this 5 golden tickets, and these 5 chocolates will be anywhere, any country, any city, anywhere it will be, and you all have to find out. If you are lucky, you will get, when you get that chocolate, when you open the wrapper, you will get that golden ticket. So which boy, which child, which person gets a golden ticket will get the chance to visit the chocolate factory. So that's what this lucky few. Lucky few means 5 lucky few will be able to explore, visit the chocolate factory. And And he has signed Willy Wonka. Willy Wonka is a proprietor. Good luck to you all and happy hunting. What is happy hunting? So when you all hear this, everybody will be excited to visit the factory and you all will go on buying the chocolates to get that golden ticket. That's what the note is. He's brilliant, cried Grandpa Joe. So one grandpa's name, two grandpas there, one grandpa name is Joe. He's brilliant. Who's brilliant? Willy Wonka is very brilliant. Just imagine what will happen now. The whole world will be searching for those golden tickets. Everyone will be buying Wonka chocolate bars in the hope of finding one golden ticket. He'll sell more than ever before. Oh, how exciting it would be to find one. So, the children will be finding very exciting, isn't it, to get one golden ticket and the chance of visiting the chocolate factory. And all the chocolate and sweets that you could eat for the rest of your life. That's also there is. When you get the golden ticket, you all will be able to visit the chocolate factory. Not only that, you will get chocolates also. For your life long, you will get chocolates also. So the rest of your life, you can eat chocolate free, said Grandpa George. So one is Grandpa Joe, the other one is Grandpa George. Just imagine that for your life long, you are getting chocolates free. All children will love that, isn't it? Getting chocolates free, the lifelong. They would have to deliver them in a truck, said Grandma Georgina. So, Grandma's name is Georgina. Wouldn't it be something, Charlie, to open a bar of chocolate and see a golden ticket glistening inside? Glistening means shining inside, said Grandpa Joe. It certainly would, Grandpa, but there isn't a hope, Charlie said sadly. Why Charlie was sad? I'm not having any hope of getting that golden ticket. I only get one bar a year. Why he said like that way? Because every year only on his birthday he gets this chocolate. That's what he's telling. I only get one bar a year. You never know, darling, said Grandma Georgina. It's your birthday next week. You have as much chance as anybody else. So your birthday is next week, you'll be getting a chocolate. I'm afraid that simply isn't true, said Grandpa George. The kids who are going to find the golden tickets are the ones who can afford to buy bars of chocolate every day. So what Charlie is telling, no, I'm afraid that simply isn't true, said Grandpa George. So Grandpa George is telling the kids who are going to get the golden tickets are the kids who buy chocolates daily. So they go on buying chocolates, hundreds and hundreds of chocolate. Out of that there'll be one golden ticket. So how is this Charlie going to get? He gets only one chocolate once a year. So our Charlie gets only one a year. There isn't a hope. Mr. and Mrs. Bucket came in and stood at the foot of the bed. So Mr. and Mrs. Bucket means father and mother of Charlie, watching Charlie. So he got that chocolate on his birthday. The room became silent. Everybody was waiting now. What they are waiting? They are waiting for Charlie to open the wrapper and inside whether there will be the golden ticket. Charlie looked down at the bar of chocolate. He ran his fingers slowly back and forth along the length of it, stroking it lovingly. And the shiny paper wrapper made little sharp crackly noise. Crackly noises means you all know when you open the chocolate cover there will be a noise, crackling noises in the quiet room. Then Mrs. Bucket said gently, Mrs. Bucket means mother of Charlie, said gently, you mustn't be too disappointed. Why she told her that way? Because Charlie was feeling sad. So sad, disappointed. So that's what the mother told. Don't be too disappointed, my darling. If you don't find what you're looking for underneath that wrapper, you really can't expect to be as lucky as that, all that. So if you don't find the golden ticket, you don't feel disappointed at all. So don't expect to be as lucky. She's quite right, Mr. Bucket said. Mr. Bucket, his father, said. Charlie didn't say anything. After all, Grandma Josephine said, in the whole wide world, there are only 3 tickets left to be found. Because 2 already found, only 3 tickets. The thing to remember, Grandma Georgina said, is that whatever happens, you'll still have the bar of chocolate. Wonka Whipple Scrumptious Fuge Mellow Delight. That is the full name of the chocolate. Cried Grandpa George. It's the best of them all. You'll just love it. So that chocolate is very tasty. Everybody will love it. Just forget all about those golden tickets and all. You just buy the chocolate, eat it and enjoy it. You'll forget about those golden tickets and enjoy the chocolate. Grandpa Joe said, why don't you do that? They all knew it was ridiculous. Ridiculous means it's foolish to expect this one poor little bar of chocolate to have a magic ticket inside. So he's going to open the chocolate. So it's very foolish to expect this one poor little bar of chocolate to have a magic ticket inside it. And they were trying as gently and as kindly as they could to prepare Charlie for the disappointment. So they are all giving Charlie something he's feeling very sad. So they are cheering up Charlie. But there was one other thing that the grown-ups also knew. Grown-ups means all these 2 sets of grandparents. And it was this, that however small the chance might be of striking lucky, the chance was there. But then too, there is a little chance of that. The chance had to be there. What chance? The chance of getting the golden ticket. This particular bar of chocolate had as much chance as any other of having a golden ticket. And that was why all the grandparents and parents in the room were actually just as tense and excited as Charlie was, although they were pretending to be very calm. They all are pretending very calm, but then too, they were all excited and anxious also whether there'll be a golden ticket in that bar of chocolate. Very slowly, Charlie's finger began to tear. So Charlie's finger began to tear open one small corner of the wrapping paper. The old people in the bed all leaned forward. Leaned means to lean like this way, craning their scraggy necks. They are old people, they are all thin necks. Then suddenly, as though he couldn't bear the suspense any longer, Charlie tore the wrapper right down the middle, and on his lap there fell a light brown, creamy colored bar of chocolate. There was no sign of a golden ticket anywhere. So did he get the golden ticket? No, he didn't get the golden ticket. Well, that's that, said Grandpa Joe brightly. It's just what we expected. So Grandpa Joe's telling, that's all we expected. We know that there won't be any golden ticket. Charlie looked up. 4 kind old faces. 4 kind old faces means all. Grandpa Joe, Grandmother Georgina, all were watching him intently from the bed. How he felt when he found there was no golden ticket. He smiled at them. Just he smiled. A small sad smile. And then he shrugged his shoulders and picked up the chocolate bar and held it out to his mother. So first thing, what did he do? He gave to his mother and said, "Here, mother, have a bit. We'll share it." So, nice child, isn't it? Even you all also should have that habit. If you get anything, you all have to share it. So we'll share it. I want everybody to taste it. So that's what this section 1. Up to that, you all read this lesson and you all understand. That's what this first class. Thank you, children.